At least 640 people were killed and several buildings knocked down in Turkey and Syria after a powerful 7.8 magnitude quake struck southern Turkey close to the Syrian border on Monday. Authorities said the toll is expected to rise. Earlier, Turkey's state media reported 284 people were confirmed dead, while around 2,323 others were hurt. At least 130 buildings tumbled down in Malatya province, while 16 collapsed in Diyarbakir. Search for survivors trapped under the rubble is underway. Tremors were also felt in the Turkish capital of Ankara, 460 km northwest of the epicenter. In the wake of the quake, Turkish authorities have declared a level 4 alarm that calls for international assistance. In northern Syria, at least 237 people were killed and over 600 injured, said officials. Several buildings were flattened in Aleppo. The tremors were so strong that they were felt as far away as Lebanon and Cyprus. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said on Twitter that search and rescue teams were immediately dispatched to the areas hit by the quake.